These gloves on. Alright, y'all. As y'all can tell from the title, my latest cop is Glock 30 SF. But while you're here, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Let's get it. In the box, it comes with the firearm, of course, two 10-round magazines, a speed loader, lock, and the user manual, and a cleaning tool. Nothing special here. It's a Glock. The Glock 30 SF is chambered in 45 auto. Look at them big joints. Has a 3.78 inch barrel and a black nitride finish. Pistol holds 10+1. It's known for its compact design and simple operation that allows smooth drawing of the pistol. With all these advantages, especially because of its compact dimensions, the Glock 30 SF 45 caliber is one of the first choices of plainclothes officers and security personnel in the U.S. Standard features include white dot and outline sights. Again, it's a Glock. The short frame model reduces the circumference from the rear of the receiver or back strap, offering increased comfort and control, especially for shooters with smaller hands. Magazine options. As I said before, it comes standard with two 10-round magazines, but Glock also makes a flush fit 9-round magazine that makes it even easier to conceal. It also takes the Glock 21 13-round magazine, as well as other aftermarket large capacity magazines like the 26-round SGM Tactical Fun Stick. What are my final first thoughts? I think I've officially become a fanboy. It's my fourth Glock and my favorite so far. I actually had the chance to get one about 4 months ago, but passed up the chance and regretted it until I walked into the store and found this one. This time I didn't wait. I've been kind of busy with a few things, so I'm going to have to make time and find the energy to get out to the range and shoot this motherfucker. Bolo the Range review. Peace.